I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a GMC Acadia. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a ratchet set, extensions, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so always wear eye protection. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts. Then, carefully raise the front of your Acadia using a floor jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. Once the vehicle is safely supported, you'll need to locate the starter motor. On many GMC Acadia models, it's situated on the passenger side, near the transmission bell housing. You might need to remove a few components like a heat shield or a bracket to gain clear access. Next, carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter. With the electrical connections removed, you can now unbolt the old starter. There are usually 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding it in place. Once these are out, carefully maneuver the old starter out of its position. Now, take your new starter and carefully guide it into place. Secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 35 foot-pounds. After the new starter is securely bolted and all electrical connections are reattached, it's time to reconnect the negative battery cable. Before lowering the vehicle, give the starter a quick test to ensure it cranks the engine properly. Once confirmed, carefully lower your Acadia back to the ground. Remember to check the description for links to tools and other helpful products, including a great car air freshener. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.